12th sum. Find, using the quadratic formula, the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist. First sum. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, d is equals to, we will find the d. So, b is minus 5 square minus 4, a is 3, c is 2. Minus 5 square is 25, 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. So, write the formula for the root of the equation. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b square minus 4ac we have already calculated as 1. Therefore, x is equals to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus root 1 upon 6. That is equals to x5 plus or minus root 1 is 1 upon 6. When it is plus 1, 6 upon 6, x is equals to 1. When it is minus 1, 4 upon 6, therefore x is equals to 2 upon 3. Second sum, x square plus 4x plus 5 is equals to 0. Here also we have to find the determinant value, that is b square minus 4ac. b square will be 4 4s are 16 minus 4, a is 1, c is 5. 5 4s are 20. 16 minus 20 is minus 4, which is less than 0. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation does not exist. Thirteenth, solve. First question, 1 upon 18 minus x minus 1 upon 18 plus x is equals to 1 upon 24 and x is greater than 0. Now you see the denominator 18 minus x and 18 plus x. So this term I will multiply and divide by 18 plus x. This term I will multiply and divide by 18 minus x. Therefore, in the denominator we will get 18 minus x into 18 plus x. In the numerator, 18 plus x minus 18 minus x is equals to 1 upon 24. Now, if we open the bracket, 8 plus 18 minus 18 will get cancelled. X plus x is 2x upon 18 square minus x square is equals to 1 upon 24. Now, cross multiply. 24 into 2x is 48x is equals to 18 square is 324 minus x square. Transpose all these terms to the left hand side. We get x square plus 48x minus 324 equals to 0. So 48 we have to split in two terms such that its multiplication is minus 324 and its addition is plus 48. That is plus 54 minus 6. So instead of plus 48x, we will write plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 equals to 0. Pair first two terms and last two terms. In this, x is common into x plus 54 minus 6 is common, x plus 24 equals to 0. In these two terms, x plus 54 is common into x minus 6 equals to 0. Either x plus 54 is 0 or x minus 6 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 54 or x is equals to 6. Since it is given x is greater than 0, hence x is equals to only 6. Second sum, x minus 10 into 1200 upon x plus 2 is equals to 1260 and x is less than 0. So in this term we will multiply and divide by x. So we get 1200 plus 2x upon x. Now multiply, cross multiply x and cross multiply 1. So in left hand side we will get 10x minus 10 into 1200 plus 2x equals to 1260 into x. Now we will open this bracket. So 1200x minus 12,000 plus 2x square minus 20x is equals to 1260x. Now 2x square, 1200x minus 20x minus 1260x is equals to minus 80x minus 12,000 equals to 0. Since all the terms are divisible by 2, we divide by 2. We get x square minus 40x minus 6,000 equals to 0. 1 into minus 6,000 is minus 6,000. We have to split in two terms such that its multiplication is minus 6,000 and addition is minus 40. That is minus 100 plus 60. Instead of minus 40x, we will write minus 100x plus 60x. Therefore, x square minus 100x plus 60x minus 6,000 equals to 0. Pair first two terms and last two terms. In first two terms, x is common. What is remaining? Into x minus 100. In last two terms, plus 60 is common. Into x minus 100 equals to 0. In these two terms, x minus 100 is common. Into x plus 60 equals to 0. Either x minus 100 is equals to 0 or x plus 60 equals to 0. X is equals to 100 or x is equals to minus 60. Since x is less than 0, therefore x is equals to only minus 60.